بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to your new class. I feel very happy to congratulate you for being promoted to new class. This lecture is being recorded for maths of grade 3. Before moving to your lesson, I want to show your textbook first. Look at your maths textbook. It is Cambridge Scholar Series Primary Standard Mathematics for Grade 3. It is very colorful book. So students, we are starting with the first unit, that is numbers. What? Numbers. And our topic in numbers is Roman numbers. What? Roman numbers. Now have a look on book and listen to me. We are familiar with the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, which we studied in class 2. These numbers are called Arabic numbers. Now in this unit, we are going to study Roman numbers, a number system which belongs to ancient Rome. Students, it means that in ancient time, the people of Rome used numbers in symbols which are called Roman numbers. And students, look down to the table of numbers. Read and write Roman numbers. The Romans used these symbols to represent the numbers. Look at Arabic numbers. Arabic numbers 1, 5, 10. These are basic Roman symbols which construct other Roman numbers, as 1 construct 2, mean I construct 2, then 3, and we construct 5, 4, 6 and other numbers. 10 construct 11, 12 and other numbers. So these are basic Roman symbols which construct other Roman numbers.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.